Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. The first thing I want to conceal you, brothers and sisters, is when you are preparing to engage with the Quran, to read it or to recite it, whether it's memorized or whether it's through reading. Prepare yourself mentally to grasp that Allah is directly communicating with you. Every part of the Quran, as you read it, it is indeed addressing you personally. Allah is speaking to you, and when my followers inquire about me, I am near. One method through which Allah demonstrates His nearness or make us feel His proximity is via His words in the Quran. As you recite the Quran and meditate upon it, believing that Allah is speaking to you, I assure you that eventually you will begin to sense that the Quran is actually interpreting you. It's peering into your heart. It's revealing details about your existence, your struggles, and offers solutions and advice. Sensation you experience in your soul being rejuvenated. My brothers and sisters, there are individuals who recite the Quran and engage with it through deep meditation, realizing that it's interpreting them so much so that when they integrate its teaching into their lives, they start to consider directives in the Quran, its restrictions and its wisdom, and attempt to apply them in their daily existence. A sign that you are evolving into this kind of person is when you notice that you possesses sometimes a sin to a compass. Upon hearing something that pleases Allah, you feel attracted to it. Conversely, when you encounter something Allah disapproves of, you instinctively distance yourself from it. It be through your side actions, through hearing, speech, or social circle. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what was the nature of his character? Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she would say, he was a living Quran among people. Would not you desire to emulate that? The Quran on distinct logs. Each individual undergoes varied life experiences, encounters different readings or events, and many of us carry our prejudices, biases, or particular viewpoints. Some approach the Quran solely to argue with others or to validate their point to someone else. When this happens, we miss the true essence of the Quran. We lose our connection with it, turning it into a matter of ego. However, if we approach it with humility and attentive, viewing the Quran as a guide and trying to understand what the verses are conveying to us, your interaction with the Quran will be transformed into a noble and profound experience. Jazakallah khair.